Come springtime, you might find yourself in the garden center looking at a large selection of plants, many of which you might want to take home and plant in your garden. What you don't always realize about something like that is this takes some time to get this plant to the garden center. We order our supplies in July the previous year. These things start coming in almost immediately. Some plants are coming in the fall, some early in the spring or even late winter. All this has to be planned out. If we don't plan correctly, we're short on soil, we're short on pots. Sometimes we have a hard time getting past those mistakes. So we're very fastidious about our planning and try and have everything here. Some things that are out of our control, though, are things like transportation. Sometimes we need a truckload of soil and we can't find a truck to get it here. Other times we have weather that can give us problems. We've had truckloads of plants held up because of snowstorms recently. We've had plants that have stayed too long on trucks that were unheated and were total loss. Those have to be replaced then at some point in time. So all this is part of getting them to Nebraska. Then we have to make sure that they're taken care of properly for a number of months before they come to you and you can take them home and enjoy them in your garden. So a lot of pre-planning, a lot of hard work goes into all this. The pandemic has been a problem more with the hard goods side where we're not always able to get some of the plastic materials that we want. Or packaging for different things. Sometimes the product is there, but there's just no way to get it boxed up into us. So that has become a problem. The other problem has been sometimes it's been difficult to find labor, but the flip side of the pandemic coin is that it increased a lot of gardeners because a lot of people had time at home, and we sure hope that a lot of them enjoyed their gardening experiences last year so they can continue with that this year. We will see plant shortages, and it's my belief that we will. We're finding that some varieties are hard to find. We're finding that some varieties we can get, but not in the size that we want, so we end up going with smaller plants and growing them longer, or getting larger plants that end up costing us more. Another thing that we've seen is our suppliers are telling us they need our orders a lot further in advance than they used to. So we are actually ordering for 2022 at this point in time.